Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy channel. Today we are going to learn about change the date format in Excel for data migration in ERPs. While migrating our data in ERPs, you will find sometimes errors, which is showing that the date format is not as per the requirement. Let's see that one, how we can go through with that one and we can change and fix our dates. Let's begin now. We will see that one, how to change the date format. A few days back, I was trying to move my data to SAP, and the SAP format for date is DD MM YYY. This is the date format which is required by SAP. You can see here, if I'm going to select this one, I selected all my data and right click, format cell, customize, and I assign here DD MM dot YYYY years. You will see here the date, it's looking changed here, the format is changed, but if you can see here, it is not changing. You can see slash is available again, and the SAP or any other ERP, if it is not relevant to their format, the data will not be migrated. So how to do this one change? The technique I'm going to give you is, you will just go and search notepad, open this and copy all your dates from here. I selected all my dates, copy and pasted here. You can see all my dates are in dots now, and I'm going to select all of them now once again. Okay, Control A, copy, Control C, and I will come back here in my data. Paste value. Now you can see, right click and either here, come here, or just Control V, and you will find your data. Now here as well, in this formula bar, you can see the date is in dots now. I tried many techniques to change this data format, but I was unable to do that one. Then I find this technique that whatever the dates format you have in, you can just go to change here that format and copy your data in the paint here in the notepad and moved over there back. So your date format will change. The other methods are also available, but all these methods are not successful. You can, for general review, you can just right click on the, I highlighted both of the column, format cell, you can go to the date. There is another method which is called here, if you will go to the German, and here you will find day, month, year, dot. But it is also sometime not working. Like here we will try it on this column, right click, format cell, date, German, and this format. Okay, see here, the format has been changed here, but in the background the date is also coming back again in a bar, you can see here. So this is very common mistake which we are doing it. So while migrating the data in ERPs, you are unable to migrate the data, and all the time you will face this error. So fix the date in this manner. Thank you very much.